This tutorial focuses on one key concept: non-destructive editing using frame mask. Traditional cropping removes pixels. Frame mask protects them. Create your document and select the Frame tool. Draw a frame instead of cropping an image directly. Drag the image into the frame. Photoshop fits it automatically, but nothing is permanently removed. Double-click inside the frame to reposition or scale the image. You're adjusting visibility, not data. This is critical for professional editing. If requirements change later, you can reveal hidden areas instantly. No quality loss, no re-importing. This approach is especially useful for client work, banners, and layouts with fixed dimensions.